There are billions of people that are getting out of bed in the morning every day that want to have the same standard of living as we do. And I believe they're not going to stop getting towards that goal until they get there and maybe go beyond that. And throughout that process, that opens up enormous investment opportunities for people that are patient and can go out and identify companies that are able to take advantage of this unprecedented growth that we are seeing around the world, and companies that are able to execute very well against the competition. My name is Henrik Strabo. I'm a portfolio manager at Rainier Investment Management, and I'm responsible for the international small cap strategy. The fund is designed to invest in smaller market capitalization companies anywhere around the world outside the United States. We are looking for companies in the sweet spot of their growth phase, companies that are able to consistently grow their earnings over the long term, companies that are in a very strong competitive position. Most of the companies we invest in tend to be very dominant in what they do, both domestically or regionally or globally. We have a very focused and disciplined investment process. We know exactly what we're looking for, and more importantly, we know what we're not looking for. We're looking for companies that are very good at what they do, companies that are dominant either regionally or globally. From an investment philosophy standpoint, we believe that earnings growth will drive share price. So we're looking for companies that are able to significantly grow their earnings stream through good as well as bad times. The investments in the portfolio come from many different countries around the world. We don't have any biases in terms of which sectors or countries to focus on. So we want to invest in companies that are there for a reason. And we have narrowed it down to a relatively short list of companies that pass our very stringent test. These companies have to fight hard to make their way into the portfolio. We have a very high standard for these companies. So congratulations to the companies that made it into our portfolio. They have to work hard to remain in the portfolio over time. I have been in the industry since the mid-80s. I have been through many cycles, bubbles, meltdowns, military coups, collapse of economies. So I feel that my experience is very valuable in terms of running this particular investment strategy. I've also been lucky enough to build a team to work with me of two very passionate and very talented investment analysts that have international as well as global background. I joined Rainier because of the stable partnership structure of the firm, the team-oriented culture. Our investment team is located in Seattle. As a team, we cover the world. We are nimble and we're able to make decisions very quickly. We work very, very closely together. Throughout the day, we have open communication, conference calls with European companies in the morning. Late afternoon, West Coast time, we talk to Asian companies. The world is full of tremendous opportunities, and I strongly believe that investing in smaller companies around the world that are able to take advantage of the tremendous growth opportunities that we see around the world, that are in the sweet spot of their growth cycle, is a way to generate very significant alpha for our clients.